Brittany from Auto Fair Honda, here to show you the 2024 Honda Civic Touring. So you got these really nice dual tone laser cut alloy rims. Now this color is called Meteorite Gray Metallic. So it's got like a tiny little bit of blue in the gray there. You got a lot of space back here for storage. There's also a spare with a lift, or a jack I should say, and you can put the seats down if you need room for cargo, larger items. Now it is black interior. You get a balloon, black leather, charging ports for your guests. It's also a capless gas filler, which is one of my favorite parts of the Hondas. Now you have power adjustable seats and a sunroof. And my favorite, or another favorite, is the heated seats. You can take or make calls from right here at the steering wheel, and it comes with all the standard Honda safety and sensing features. Customizable digital dash and built-in navigation, which is a added bonus. All sorts of different drive modes as well. If you're interested, schedule your test drive today. It's the last weekend of the month. It's the best time to shop. And if you have any questions in the meantime, my name again is Brittany and my phone number is 603-832-8761. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day.